Hello guys and welcome back to your channel I Love 164. Today we are going to do the unboxing for this Pop Race Mazda 787B. This is the winner car from I think 1995, Le Mans 1996. I don't know, you guys tell me, but it is a winner car. This is some detailing over here from the company Pop Race, and let's open this up. Let's cut this open. Just be careful while using blades, guys. Don't cut your fingers. That's why I sometimes cut these boxes off camera. Oh wow. Let's see what we have inside here. I can see that. I don't know if you can. Let's open it. Oh wow. So before Pop Race, I think Edo and Tomica and various other companies made this car in non-openable and openable parts, and they were quite pricey. But this time Pop Race did it well. They nailed it, and this is more affordable than any other brand. I really like the side profile of this car. Looks really cool. The mismatching wheels just like the real one. We have Renown here, 55, says charged Mazda. It's a triple tone color actually, I think. This is your spoiler. Let's see. Yeah. And there is the exhaust, I think. Yeah, it is the exhaust, I guess. Because I do not see any other exhaust, and we already have tail lights over here. So yeah, this is the exhaust. And there is some good aerodynamic detailings over here. On the front, looks cool. We have all the detailings of the headlights. We can see the bulbs inside. It does say Mazda Renown, and you see there's a windshield wiper over here, right? And you see that. Looks really cool, doesn't it? Very cool. These are actually plastic. I thought these are metal. These are rubber, actually, kind of hard rubber. And we have rear view actually proper. They are silver. Not sure if you'll be able to see. Yeah, these are silver. On the base we have some aerodynamic details, really cool details. It's a nice chassis actually. We do not have thread on the wheels, but wheels look really cool. The 5-spoke and the disc type wheels, it says Dunlop. Wow. And the cool thing about this car is this, and they gave this radiator here. I think this is the radiator. Yeah, this is your piece, all black inside. This is quite heavy, and it goes back like this. Why? Because it's magnetic. You just throw it away from like here and it goes back, snap. And this also opens. This is all black. The part looks cool, and let me show you guys this in the closer look. We have really good detailings of all the suspensions, and we have some transmission details over here, and some details over here in silver, the suspensions, and this, I don't know what it is. We have battery over here, I think. Yeah, it's really cool actually. Roll cage and everything is there. I mean, at this price point and so many details, I think this is just one of the best. And this is also how magnetic. I don't think any other company can nail this the way Pop Race did. And on the spoiler, it's a big spoiler, it says charge. Wow, love it. And now let's roll it. Of course it's a Le Mans car, it's going to roll, guys. It looks good, it rolls well. This is just awesome. See, that's just awesome. Not sure if this is plastic or not, doesn't matter. As long as it is a good car, it rolls well, doesn't matter. Do let me know what you guys think about this car. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the channel with your friends, and do comment, like, let me know about the feedbacks if you want to share any. See you in the next one. Bye bye.